There are lots of reasons why someone might want to start meditating to reduce stress, increase focus, or maybe gain some clarity in their lives. But one of the biggest barriers to entry for new meditators is fear. Fear of the unknown, fear of failure, or for some, a deep sense of guilt. They believe that meditation is dangerous, sinful, or violates their beliefs. Today, let's clear up these misconceptions so that everyone can enjoy the benefits of this practice. Let's unpack the roots of this fear. First, there is the fear of the unknown. Some believe meditation involves mystical powers, altered states of consciousness, or even communication with spirits. Second, there's a fear of failure, thinking they won't be good at it, won't see results, or somehow failing at focusing their minds. Finally, there is the guilt for those who believe meditation is sinful or contradicts their faith. Let's tackle each of these head on. First, let me assure you, meditation is not dangerous. It's not about achieving mystical states, altering consciousness, or conjuring spirits. It's a simple practice of training your attention, a bit like going to the gym, but for your mind instead of your body. You don't need any special powers, incantations, herbs, candles, or crystals to get started. Meditation is just you and your own mind. Some find value in adding prayers or mantras to their practice, but it's entirely personal. You choose what feels right to you. Consider this. Most religions already teach forms of meditation. Christianity has contemplative prayer. Islam has dhikr, the repetition of sacred names. And Judaism has Kabbalat Shabbat, a meditative ritual to welcome the Sabbath. Even secular people benefit from meditation. It helps us calm our busy minds and find inner peace. Meditation is not supernatural. It's natural. It's a tool for everyone to manage stress, improve focus, and make everyday challenges easier. So please, don't fear what you don't understand. Embrace the journey with an open mind and heart. Now, let's address fear of failure. It's common to worry about not being good at meditation or seeing immediate results. You're not alone. We all face similar doubts when learning something new. But remember, meditation is a skill like any other. It takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. The real magic of meditation lies not in reaching a distant goal, but in the daily effort of showing up for yourself. It's about training your mind, not achieving perfection. Your commitment matters most, not whether your mind is perfectly still. It's okay if your mind wanders. Gently guide it back without judgment. Over time, you'll get better at maintaining your focus. Consistency is key. Set realistic goals. Start with just 3 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, it's not about the length of your meditation, but the quality of your practice. Make it a habit to meditate at the same time each day. It could be in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or in the evening to unwind. Find what suits you best. The more consistent you are, the deeper your results will be. Commit to yourself and trust the process. With dedication, you will see improvements in your focus, clarity, and overall well-being. You might even discover a newfound sense of inner peace. So don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the challenge and reap the rewards of a more focused and balanced life. Finally, let's discuss the guilt some feel about meditating, believing it's somehow sinful or contrary to their faith. This concern often stems from misconceptions about what meditation actually is. Some think it involves emptying the mind, denying one's faith, or even dabbling in the occult. But these ideas are far from the truth. Meditation is not about erasing your thoughts or rejecting your beliefs. It's simply a practice of training your attention. You can incorporate your faith into meditation by including prayers or mantras in your practice. For instance, you can meditate on a prayer like the Lord's Prayer or meditate on a mantra that holds deep meaning for you. In this way, you infuse your meditation with spiritual significance, making it a deeply personal and meaningful experience. Alternatively, you can approach meditation as a way to enhance your connection with God, By calming your mind and finding inner stillness, you create space for a deeper connection with the divine. This practice can foster a sense of peace and tranquility that complements your spiritual journey. Ultimately, the choice of how to incorporate meditation into your spiritual practice is deeply personal. Whether you choose to infuse it with religious elements or keep it secular is entirely up to you. What matters most is that you find a practice that brings you closer to your desired state of well-being and spiritual fulfillment. In essence, meditation is a personal journey and should be approached with an open mind and heart. While it's essential to respect and understand different beliefs and concerns, it's equally crucial to recognize that meditation is a universal practice that can benefit everyone. By embracing meditation, you're taking an active step towards managing stress, enhancing your focus, and cultivating inner peace. As you embark on this journey, remember to be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and stay committed to your practice. Over time, you'll witness the transformative power of meditation in your life, whether you approach it from a spiritual, psychological, or scientific perspective. So go forth and explore the vast benefits of meditation. Allow it to guide you towards a more balanced, focused, and fulfilling life. Embrace the journey and discover the profound impact meditation can have on your overall well-being. That said, some may still argue that meditation is a waste of time or question how one can find peace amidst life as chaos. To those who see meditation as a waste of time, I invite you to consider the value of investing in your own well-being. Meditation is not merely a pastime, but a powerful tool for managing stress, enhancing focus, and cultivating inner peace. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the relentless demands of work, relationships, and societal expectations. But taking time to nurture our mental health and cultivate a sense of calm amidst the chaos is essential for our overall well-being. Meditation offers a sanctuary, a moment of respite where you can reconnect with yourself, letting go of the noise and pressures that surround us. Moreover, the benefits of meditation extend beyond the individual. A calmer, more focused mind can positively impact those around us, fostering greater empathy, patience, and understanding in our interactions. As for those who question how one can find peace in a world filled with chaos and suffering, I encourage you to embrace a more expansive view of peace. Meditation is not about ignoring or escaping from the realities of life, but rather about cultivating inner stillness and clarity. In doing so, you gain a deeper perspective and resilience to navigate life's challenges more effectively. Peace, in this context, is not the absence of external conflict, but a state of inner harmony and balance. Through meditation, you learn to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing you to respond to external circumstances with grace and composure. It's not about suppressing negativity, but developing the ability to acknowledge and release it without letting it consume you. In conclusion, meditation is a timeless practice that transcends religious boundaries, offering numerous benefits for our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By embracing meditation, you're reinvesting in your own peace and becoming more resilient in the face of life's inevitable challenges. So I invite you to try it for yourself. Dedicate a few moments each day to quiet your mind. Connect with your inner self and experience the transformative power of meditation. Give it a chance and discover the profound impact it can have on your life. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in it, please show your support. It means the world to me. Here's another video on dealing with distracting thoughts during meditation. Thanks for watching and take care.